burn love, living regret. Past lives lingering, played off the dead. Chain link fences, wrapping secrets untold. God of love, but the lights running cold. Beneath magnolia, demons all gather. Preaching the sermons in the southern Alabasta.
You got one with this one, Melody?
Crimson rain dripping on that pavement. I was raised where the angels never made it. Dreams getting faded, hearts getting jaded. Mama told me pray, son, so I just waited. Every block got a ghost, yeah, they still talk to me. Closed eyes, hear the shots, that's the symphony. Had to hustle in the cold just to get some heat. Now I'm staring at my past, it keep haunting me. Lost too many homies, names that's in the curve. Split $1, now I'm counting plenty, but I still feel broke when I see that mama cry. See corners where they die, that's where I learn to survive. Cried in the dark, smiled in the struggle. Had to learn quick, don't let them see you crumble. Cold nights on the block, hoodie tight, stay humble. Dreams of the top, but the ground made me stumble. Ain't no fairy tales where the shells still ring. Where a mother lights a candle, hoping change gon' bring. Seen kids turn demons before they hit 16. In the city of the lost souls, ain't no one in between. My pain, like graffiti, it's tagged on my soul. Every verse that I spit, that's a piece of control. I remember every name, every face, every call. Every late night prayer when I thought I'd fall. Now I'm trying to turn this pain to a message for the youth. Tell them life's a war, but you gotta fight for that truth. Crimson rain, that's the blood and the tears. Still I rise through the pain, never doubting my fears. Burn love, live in regret. Prayers lie lingering, chain of the dead. Chain link fences, rival secrets untold. Hard to fall, but the lights running cold. If peace makes love, and demons all get